come take a tour. This is a Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 39i, 2007. Jump aboard. So this is our solar. We're also about to get new davits with some new solar panels, so we're really excited about that upgrade. But if you come on in, just watch your head. I'll give you a tour. We have a dual helm, so we can each have our own wheel. We have a lot of storage in here. I know it doesn't look like it, but just a little sneak peek. Under everything pretty much is a hatch. This is all of our cleaning supplies. This table is really nice because we can actually fold these up. So we have lots of space, and this actually can turn into an ice chest, which is now a storage unit. And then this also flips into cup holders, which is, you wanna come inside?
I'd love to.
Follow me. So this is the inside of our boat. Sorry if it's a little bit messy. Starting off with our beautiful kitchen. This is a gimbal stove, so we can rock and roll while we're rocking and rolling. We have our huge fridge, which is amazing, keeps everything super cold. We can even make ice. And then we have our cupboards and cabinets and, you know, our sink with water on tap, all that good stuff. And then of course, all of our drawers with cutlery. And then this is our living room. So we have, actually this table could go down, so we can make this a huge bed if needed on passage. And we also have a sliding nav station. So we can take this off and just watch our wires, but you can slide this and sit there if you like. But we usually keep this just kind of clear for wires. So this is our switchboard with all of our control panels for anything we need to use. So our fridge, water pump, nav instruments. And then if you follow me into the main bedroom, this is where we sleep. This is the main berth. This is where I sleep. It's really spacious. We also have dual closets, so closet on this side, and then if you come in, you can see the other closet. And then if you follow me this way, we'll go to our other rooms. And on to the most popular room, the bathroom. So we have a full toilet with a pump system, and then also storage. And then this actually turns into the shower head. So you take this and you clip it on to the side of the door, and you can use it as a shower. We also have a little secret compartment. You pull the mirror down and you see our mess. So that's pretty cool. And then of course, this is our first guest room. This is probably the most clean and utilized. Any guest can stay in here. We have a full closet as well. And yeah, and some fans and all that good stuff in here. And then we have another guest room, which is currently occupied by all of our sailing equipment. So if you come in here, we have our aircon, we have extra wires, some poles, and lots of other stuff. Anything that can't really fit too nicely somewhere, we put in here. But if we have guests, we take everything out. And then of course, the most important thing, our engine room. So just flick this, and flick that, and the most important part, voila. So that's our engine, and so we have full access on each side, which is really great because we spend a lot of time in there, sometimes more time in there than sailing, so it's really great. We use all the floorboards for storage. For example, in this one is Jesse's cabinet, so we keep our beer in here, some dry bilges, that's always a good sign. This is Jesse's closet pretty much, where he keeps all his storage. So behind everything is something else. This place is like a secret spy closet. So behind this cushion, voila. Under this compartment is our bilge pump. Under everything is something we could spend years going through the boat. We just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what we got on board and what it looks like inside. If you would like a more detailed tour, let us know. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed what we have and what we've done. But yeah, so thanks for coming aboard Stella. Come on outside. Thanks for watching. Ow! Okay. Shut that. It's a bit gross and it stinks in there. Okay, Jesse used the bathroom before this video. So is incredible for sailing. If it wants to work, yep.